Mini Munchkins!
Hello, friends! Welcome to our exciting adventure into the world of farm animals. Today, we're going to learn about different farm animals, their names, and the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's get started! Our first farm animal is a big pink friend who loves to roll in the mud. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's a pig! What sound does a pig make, kids? They say oink, 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 oink! Great job! Now let's move on to our next friend. This one has a black and white coat and loves to graze in the fields. Can you guess? It's a cow! Awesome kiddos! What's the sound our bovine buddies make? Cows say moo moo, moo moo. Well done! It's the classic farm tune. Our next friend is a magnificent creature that loves to gallop and neigh. Can you guess? Yes, it's a horse! You're doing fantastic! What do you think a horse says? Horses say neigh, 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 neigh. Isn't that just the coolest? You're learning so fast, kiddos. Quacking onto the scene is a water-loving bird with a distinctive sound. Can you guess? Yes, it's a duck. What's their special sound? Ducks say quack, 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 quack. Fantastic. Great job, little explorers. Now, let's talk about a fluffy friend with a woolly coat. What could it be? It's a sheep. What do you think a sheep says? That's right, it's ba-ba, ba-ba. Great job, little explorers. Did you enjoy our adventure into the world of farm animals and their sounds? Today, let's have a little interactive session to recap all the fun we had. Are you ready to join in? Let's dive into the excitement! Our first friend loves rolling in the mud and saying, oink, oink! Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's our adorable piggy friend. Let's all say oink, oink together. Oink, oink! Great job! Now on to our next friend. This one has a black and white coat, grazes in the fields, and says, moo, moo! Can you guess who it is? You're absolutely right. It's our lovely cow friend. Let's all say moo moo together. Moo moo. Awesome. Now let's gallop over to our magnificent friend that neighs. Who could it be? Yes, it's the graceful horse. Let's all say neigh neigh like our horsey friend. Neigh neigh. Fantastic. Quacking onto the scene is our water-loving bird friend with a distinctive sound. Can you remember who it is? Absolutely right. It's our delightful duck friend. Let's all say quack, quack together. Quack, quack. Take a peek at this fluffy friend. Can you guess its name? You're absolutely right. It's a sheep. Awesome. On the count of 3, let's all say ba, ba together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ba, ba. You did an amazing job, my mini explorers. High fives all around. I hope you had a blast guessing the names and sounds of these wonderful animals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more exciting adventures. Get ready, because we'll catch you in our next episode for more farmyard fun on Mini Munchkins. Until then, keep those smiles shining and happy exploring!